Alicia Bakor Phanwar, hailing from Meghalaya, garnered acclaim for her exceptional achievement at the Exchange4media News Broadcasting Awards (ENBA) held in New Delhi on the 30th of March 2024. At the age of 26, she clinched the prestigious ENBA Gold Award for Best News Producer English, elevating the pride of her home state. Notably, Phanwar serves as a shift supervisor at India Today TV, marking her as one of the youngest individuals in this role within the network. Her contributions extend to shaping the channel's primetime lineup and spearheading flagship programs such as News Today at 9 with Rajdeep Sardesai and Mission 2024 with Preeti Chaudhary, both of which received ENBA Gold Awards. Prior to her tenure at India Today TV, Phanwar honed her skills as a news producer at Republic TV and CNN News 18. From transcending regional boundaries as a Northeastern to overcoming gender biases as a young woman, Phanwar's ascent in the national news arena stands as a remarkable achievement.
Correct. Alicia Bakor, India Today. Is that right? Did I get it right? No? Okay, so please correct me because I want to say it properly. Alicia Bakor, can we hear it for her please? India Today, winning a gold in the category of Best News Producer, English. Congratulations, Best News Producer, Hindi.